There are many products available to choose a Hitch cargo carrier, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best Hitch cargo carrier from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Maxhull 70107 Hitch Mount Compact Cargo Carrier. Our list of top-rated Hitch cargo carrier reviews starts with this Maxhull 70107 basket-style carrier. Featuring 500 pounds carrying capacity, this carrier is ideal for hauling all your loads such as firewood, cooler, etc. that you'd rather have outside your vehicle during transport. It comes with a sturdy all-steel tubular construction for maximum reliability, durability, and longevity. You'll also notice that it features 4-inch side rails that help secure even taller loads to keep them from sliding. The cargo carrier gives you the option of using it with bungee cords to ensure additional security for your luggage and gear when traveling on those bumpy and rough roads terrains. Note that this hitch-mounted carrier mounts to 2x2 Class 3 and IV hitch and can be used with a variety of vehicle models and makes. It comes armed with safety reflectors to help improve your visibility to other road users for safe night riding. Number 2. CURT 18153 Basket Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier. No matter what you're hauling, what your vehicle you're driving, or where you're going, this is the best trailer hitch cargo carrier to help you add extra storage space in your car. The CURT offers you an extra space worth 500 pounds, where you can conveniently haul any additional items that won't fit in your cat truck or interior. It comes designed with 6-inch tall sides that help keep all your items secure, so you can have peace of mind when traveling. If you like, you can also use these walls as attachment points for cargo net or your cargo bag straps. Number 3. Pro Series 63153 Rambler Cargo Carrier Basket. Never stop seeking adventures because your small family car can't fit all the gear you need to bring along. This Pro Series cargo carrier is another storage solution that offers you a robust 500 pounds instant extra space for all your additional gear and luggage. Constructed from heavy-duty steel and covered with powder coating, this basket will stay strong and resist elements, rust and scratches, giving you value for money. It features a mesh floor that makes it incredibly easy to clean. It also comes fitted with taller, 5.5-inch side rails that keep your cargo secure and in place. This way, you can ride your whole journey without worrying about your stuff jumping off the carrier. Just like our previously discussed models, this hitch mount carrier also comes with a rise shank design that helps elevate your cargo and create sufficient ground clearance. The basket carrier will easily slide into any vehicles with a 2-inch square receiver hitch. Number 4. Tote TTF 2762 KR Steel Cargo Carrier. If you want value for money, this is the perfect cargo carrier for you. The Tote features a unique 2-in-1 design, meaning it can work as a hitch cargo carrier or bike rack. It's not always that you find a carrier that serves a dual purpose at an affordable rate, so this carrier is truly an exception. When it comes to hauling your extra cargo, this carrier offers you a total of 500 pounds extra storage space. It MESURES 27x62x3 deep and will give you plenty of room to fit all those camping gear, sporting equipment, and loads that aren't suitable for carrying inside your car. Number 5. Leader Accessories Hitch Cargo Carrier. This is another best hitch-mounted cargo carrier for your vehicle storage need. It maximizes your vehicle storage with an additional 500 pounds in the form of a 60x24x6 basket that will fit all your tailgate, camping, or road trip gear and equipment. The cargo carrier boasts of even taller side rails as high as 6 inches to help keep your items secure during travel. With such heightened sides, not even the bumpy roads will throw your cargo out of the basket. When you reach your destination, you can turn this cargo into a convenient BBQ cable. Sounds cool, right? It comes with a patented design, where you simply open the legs below the basket to convert it into a stable table for your camping. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easy.